Hey guys, Pete Sohm with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. Gonna do a quick walkthrough on our newly listed 2023 Scout 195 Sportfish. This boat does have bottom paint. It is a shark gray hull color. So we have the nice powder coated T-top. Stepping on board, our leaning post. Underneath, we do have a live well. Jump seats in the back. This is powered with a Mercury 150 XL. A couple additives that the client did after the fact. We did do a battery charger, VHF, Garmin display. This does have Fusion Bluetooth stereo, hydraulic wheel, very nicely set up helm. Looks like we have our tea bag up here, which is great for life vests, extra storage. This boat does have an optional porta potty. He did not opt for it, but if we want, we can order one from our parts department and it would just go right there. There is the battery charger, access to all of our fuses. By the way, this boat does have about 17 hours on board. In the front, nice non-skid casting platform with backrests, another spot to sit. Our Yeti cooler / seat. And the customer did add custom canvas for this, our helm station, and the leaning post there. All right, guys, again, 2023 Scout 195 Sportfish. This boat is located at MarineMax Brick. Thank you.